In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Fortnite is not starting on your PC. First step is you want to search for Task Manager, go to Details, press anywhere and press F, look if you have Fortnite open in the background. If you have it, just end the task. After that, head over to Epic Games and go to the library, click on these dots by Fortnite, Manage, Verify Files and see if it works now. If it still doesn't work, you should open the install location, go to Fortnite Game, go to Binaries, Windows, come down until you find Fortnite Client Windows Shipping.exe. Right click on this one and go to Properties, Compatibility, activate these two, apply and OK, and see if this works. If it still doesn't work, head up here and find Easy Anti-Cheat, find this one, Properties, press space and type Repair, go to Compatibility and activate these three, press OK and then try and launch Fortnite. After you've done all of these, it should hopefully work. Otherwise, you should restart your PC and see if that fixes it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.